how to create a Quora account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to install Quora application on your device. It can easily be found on your Google Play Store. After installing, you have to open up the app, and after opening, you'll be able to see this interface over here. If you have already got an account, then you can go for login option. You can also continue with your Google or Facebook. If you want to sign up using your email address, then you can go for sign up with email option. Here I am continuing to create an account with Google. If you are choosing for Google, then you have to select an account over here with which you want to create your Quora account. After that, here you have to select at least 5 topics so that they will show you the stories based on these topics that you have choose. For example, if you choose the topics like movies, health, food and science, then they will show the story based on these topics. After that, you have to go for next. Quora is available in various languages, so you have to select your preferred language over here. And after that, you have to go for done option in the right upper corner. And by doing that, you can see my Quora account has been created easily. So by following this simple step, you can create a Quora account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.